Greetings everybody! So today I'm here with two different plants that I have never had before, but you can eat the leaves on these like an herb. This one here is LOVAGE, and this one here is Bernet. Bernet? I have no idea how to say it. So these were both sent to me by Wanderlust Nursery. So Wanderlust Nursery, thank you so much for sending me so many interesting plants. If you are watching this and you grow plants, these are available on Wanderlust Nursery's website. So check out the link in the description below. So first I'm going to talk about LOVAGE. Now LOVAGE is something that is used in cooking in different parts of Europe. According to my little cheat sheet here in the Netherlands, these are cooked with white asparagus and salt and served with boiled eggs. Citation needed. Thank you, Wikipedia. In Romania, the leaves are the preferred seasoning in various broths, equally as much as parsley or dill. In the UK, this is used in alcoholic drinks, and it says that in Cornwall, it was originally added to slightly spoiled brandy in order to hide the taste of salt. That's a fun fact. So, yeah, I guess it's used kind of like an herb, but I have no idea what this tastes like. So let's find out. Oh, this tastes like a very strong, slightly bitter celery. Maybe a touch of like an anise sort of flavor as well. You would use this how you'd use celery. Maybe not the texture of celery, but the flavor of celery. So what I would do is I would put this in a soup. This would be really good for that. And I'm imagining this probably takes up less space. Don't know for sure. So maybe if you have like a planter or something, this would be a good way to grow an herb that you can just like go and pick, get a flavor of celery, throw that into a dish that you're cooking. So yeah, that's totally useful. If you have a use for celery, you have a use for this. It is very strong though, so it's something where I think if you're going to use this in any kind of great quantity, you're going to want to cook it. Maybe it's okay to take some raw and mix it into a salad or something, but you'd want to reduce that because like that is a powerful flavor right there. But it is a good flavor. If you like celery, you like this. Next, let's try the Bernet or Bernet. According to my resources here, this is used in salads and sauces and dressings. So I'm going to just try one leaf, just in case it's as strong as the last one. Like cucumber melon. Touch of watermelon flavor, touch of cucumber flavor. This is not one that you need to cook. It's not like bitter or anything. There's a little bit of a spiciness to them too. A little black pepper sort of spiciness. Take these off the stalk, mix them into like a microgreen salad, and you have the flavor of like cucumber in your salad without having to put cucumber in it. I know a lot of people actually don't like cucumbers, like they don't like the texture or whatever, but if you like the flavor of it, this would be a way to do it. What I like about these two is that these leaves are adorable. They're really small and really spiky. So if you went through the effort of going through all of this and taking those leaves off the stalk and just mixed it with like a little bit of like lemon juice or a little bit of dressing, you would have a very adorable little salad with these tiny little spiky leaves on it. It's cute, and I can see this also mixing very well with like a tomato salad or something like that. They're not very strong in taste, but the taste that's there is a good flavor. So both of these, totally useful. Both flavors are very recognizable. Yeah, very interesting to try that, because when you take a bite out of something like this, you're not expecting it to taste like something so familiar, but it does. It just is coming in a different package. Thanks again to Wanderlust Nursery for sending this to me. Guys, if you're interested in growing this, check out the link in the description below. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I want to give a special shout out to AltPod and Smarter Every Day. They are mega patrons over on Patreon.com. Patreon is how this channel happens. It's how I can afford to do all the things that I do. So if you want to help me out by supporting the channel and getting some bonuses along the way, check out the description. I also have these shirts for sale. Those are in the description as well. See you next time. Bye.